grandparents, friends, and family. Your presence means the world to Team Little Palms and especially to our little children. Your cooperation will help our little actors stay focused. So kindly remain seated, avoid the aisles, and keep your mobiles on silent. Please refrain from taking photographs as you will be sent the link for the same and it will be live for a month. However, do wave out from your seat in case your child sees you. Last but not the least, with their tiny feet dancing and hearts full of excitement, our babies are here to do their very best. Please encourage them by clapping loudly and oh, thank you, but kindly overlook any mistakes. After all, they are indeed our small children. Thank you for your support and understanding. Please rise for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा हिमाचल शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गा जन गण मन
भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे
जय हे
Concert 2026 Krishna Leela. Yeah, more light I need. Sameer, increase the light, please. In a silent prison, a miracle was about to happen. We begin with scene 1, the birth of Lord Krishna. Once upon a time, in the kingdom of Mathura, there lived a cruel and heartless king named Kans. Lights, please. The people of Mathura lived in fear and dread of him. Kans Maharaj walks through Mathura with his guards following closely behind him. They are going towards their palace. Guards, you can't leave Kans Maharaj. One day, Kans gets his beloved sister Devaki married to Vasudev. Heartfelt blessings. As the wedding celebrations ended and Devaki and Vasudev were leaving, they were going back to their home, a divine voice echoed from the sky. O Kans, the eighth child of Devaki and Vasudev will be your destroyer, destroyer, destroyer. Kans was furious. He was angry. Guards, arrest them both immediately. And quickly put them in the prison. At once, the guards take them and lock them up into the prison. They guard the prison day and night, night and day, marching twice, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right. Years pass by. Then on the 8th day of the month of Shravan, on a dark and stormy night, Devaki gave birth to a baby boy. Devaki looks at Vasudev. Vasudev, our child, he is no ordinary baby. Please take him to your friend Nandaraja's house in Gokul. He will be safe there. Vasudev worriedly looks at Devaki. How will I take him? The prison doors are locked. Miraculously, the guards fell into deep, deep sleep, and the prison doors opened by themselves. Vasudev steps out slowly, carrying baby Krishna in a basket. With the rising river, rain and thunder, Vasudev was worried. He was wondering, how will I cross the Yamuna river in this terrible storm? A large snake comes slithering out slowly from the waters towards Vasudev. Do not be afraid, Vasudev. I am Seshnag. I will protect you and your baby from the rain. Under the hood of Seshnag, Vasudev crosses the flooded river and safely walks towards Gokul. from the prison cell into the arms of Yashoda Maya, a new chapter of joy begins. Presenting Scene 2, Krishna in Gokul. Nanda Baba comes running and hugs his dear friend Vasudev. Vasudev is walking very slowly with the Krishna in his basket. And now Nanda Baba, who is waiting, hugs his friend Vasudev. Before that, he was waiting to hug. Vasudev leaves little Lalla in Gokul and returns to Mathura. Sadly, very, very sadly. The next morning, Yashoda comes lovingly cradling Krishna. Yashoda Maya calls Nanda Baba, "Oh Nanda Raja, oh Nanda Raja, we have been blessed with a beautiful son." Nanda Baba says, "Yes, Maya, yes. Let us call him Krishna, like the dark clouds that bring the rains." Yashoda says, "Mera Krishna, mera Lalla, mera chota sa Kanha." And they put their little Lalla in the cradle. All the villagers of Gokul heard about Kanha and little Lalla. And here they come to celebrate the birth of Krishna, cheering away. Nand ke gar anand bhayo, Jai Kanhaiya Lal ki, Jai Kanhaiya Lal ki. Audience support, come on. Welcome our LKG children as the villagers of Gokul. Keep clapping.
ब्रज में आनंद भयो जय यशोदा लाल की, ब्रज में आनंद भयो जय यशोदा लाल की, जय हो नंद लाल की जय।
Audience support loudly.
पति लाल की।
हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की।
हे कोटि ब्रह्मांड के अधिपति लाल की।
हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की।
हे कौवे चराने आए जय हो पशुपाल की।
गोबर के आनंद भयो जय।
Lovely! Absolutely super!
चराने आए जय हो पशुपाल की।
गोबर के आनंद भयो जय कन्हैया लाल की।
हे कोटि ब्रह्मांड के अधिपति लाल की।
Woohoo! Wow!
हो गौवे चराने आए जय हो पशुपाल की।
रंग के आनंद भयो जय कन्हैया लाल की।
हे पूनम के चंद जैसी शोभा है बाल की।
हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की।
हे पूनम के चंद जैसी शोभा है बाल की।
Awesome! They're so cute! Don't stop clapping!
आनंद उमंग भयो जय हो नंद लाल की।
गोबर के आनंद भयो जय कन्हैया लाल की।
हे ब्रज में आनंद भयो जय यशोदा लाल की।
गोबर के आनंद भयो जय कन्हैया लाल की।
हे कोटि ब्रह्मांड के अधिपति लाल की।
रंग के आनंद भयो जय कन्हैया लाल की।
हो गौवे चराने आए जय हो पशुपाल की।
रंग के आनंद भयो जय कन्हैया लाल की।
Clap! Let them hear you clapping as well. They'll continue clapping.
भक्तों के आनंद कंद जय यशोदा लाल की।
हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की।
हे भक्तों के आनंद कंद जय यशोदा लाल की।
हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की।
हे जय यशोदा लाल की जय हो गोपाल की।
गोबर के आनंद भयो
हे जय यशोदा लाल की जय हो गोपाल की। हे कोटि ब्रह्मांड के
Everyone in Gokul is very happy and they celebrate joyfully. In the fields of Gokul, even the peacocks, the gwalas, and the gentle cows dance with little Krishna. Beginning scene 3, little Krishna and his friends. Krishna was playing the flute. Kuhu, kuhu, kuhu. The peacocks come dancing out. Here they come. Put your hands together for our nursery babies doing the peacock dance. Oh, please wave out. some are in a big hurry to go back and find their grains. And now, here come the gwalas and the cows. Our nursery boys as gwalas and cows. Please sing along with us. Very good, come on.
छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वाल छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वाल छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वाल छोटू सुमेरो मदन गोपाल छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे
Loudly.
छोटू सुमेरो मदन गोपाल
Awesome. Very good. Lovely dancing.
आगे आगे गैया पीछे पीछे ग्वाल बीच में मेरो मदन गोपाल
Come along.
आगे आगे गैया पीछे पीछे ग्वाल बीच में मेरो मदन गोपाल आगे आगे गैया पीछे पीछे ग्वाल बीच में मेरो मदन गोपाल छोटी छोटी गैया
Sing along. Encore.
छोटा सो मेरो मदन गोपाल छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वाल छोटू सो मेरो मदन गोपाल कारी कारी गैया गोरे गोरे ग्वाल श्याम वरण मेरो मदन गोपाल कारी कारी गैया गोरे गोरे ग्वाल
Our nursery boys. Give them a round of applause, please. Krishna continues playing the flute. And all the peacocks, the gwalas, and cows come back again to listen to the melody of his flute. Audience, you too can meditate with them. At sunset, they all follow Krishna back to their homes. With a twinkle in his eyes and butter on his hands. Our naughty Kana is up to something again. Surely you have all guessed. Presenting our Natkat Kanha, Hamara Makhan Chor Lala. Krishna, as we all know, was full of mischief. Everyone in Gokul loved him, but also complained about his naughty pranks. Let me tell you what happened one day. Radha Rani is going to get water from the Yamuna river. ए रूपा, ए छोटी, तारा, चंपा, माया, गंगा, चुटकी. Let's go to the river bank to fill water. Latak, matak, latak, matak, latak, matak. Chan chan, chan chan, chan chan, chan chan. They're really happy, but they don't know what's going to await them. The gopis fill water, and now, like all women, start chatting with each other. Gopis are chatterboxes, are very busy chatting. And Krishna sees the gopis from afar and calls his gang of gwalas. Come, come, gwalas. It's our turn now. They are busy chatting. Krishna whispers to his friends. Let's have some fun now. Ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, tuck! The gwalas start laughing and jumping and really are having fun out there. But Radha Rani is very upset. Oh no! My matki fell. मेरी मटकी गिर गई, भाई गिर गई. Who did this? ये किसने किया? The gopis spotted Kana and his naughty gwalas. और फिर आप देखिए क्या हुआ. भागो, 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 भागो भाई भागो. Radha says, next time I will tell Yashoda Maya, her ladla Kanha is very naughty. Itna natkhat bhai, itna natkhat. Chalo, chalo, let's go home now. Latak, matak, latak, matak. Chan, 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 chan. Now, let's step into Radha's house. Isn't her house beautiful? Radha calls all her gopis. I have something to tell you all. Come, quickly. Come. Today, we won't let Krishna break our matkis. I'm telling you, One of us must stay alert. Gopis, chalo. Let's go. Latak, matak. Off they go. But as soon as they left, Kanha and his gwalas sneaked into the house. Shh. Quiet. Krishna tells his friends, I know the gopis have made fresh makhan. I can smell the makhan. Yum. Tum. Yum. Tum. Let's find it. Come along, gwalas. Look for it. The rest of them can't stop laughing, audience. You can also laugh with the pranks. Tan. Tan. Nothing. Suddenly, Krishna spots the butter. There's the pot. Full of butter, full of ghee. Clap for these guys, they're awesome.
Till the butter quietly. Yum. Chalo jaldi. Till the butter quietly. Kaisi yum matki. Full of butter, full of ghee. Lick your fingers along. Quick, let's empty out the pot. Yum. Lick your fingers along. Quick, let's
Ooh, there it is!
yum matki. Full of butter, full of ghee.
Oh my, now nobody can stop them.
Look, kaisi yum matki.
Clap. Full of butter, full of ghee. Kaisi yum matki. Full of butter, full of ghee.
Kaisi yum
Matki, full of butter, full of ghee. Yum. Tum. Yum. Tum. Oh my God, they just can't stop eating. They're so busy eating that they don't see Radharani entering the house. Here she is. The gwalas run away. They don't want to be caught at all. But Kanha Oh my God, Kana just can't stop. Radha has held his hand. I caught you this time, Kana. I caught you. Now, you come with me to Yashoda Maya at once. She pulls Krishna by his hand. Nutcut, I'm going to tell Maya that your Lalla is very, very naughty. Continue with the flute. Oh my God, I think the house, Yashoda Maiya's house is far away, so we'll have to wait. In the meanwhile, you'll all listen to the flute. Let's calm ourselves down before the next scene. Yashoda is sitting on the stage, very busy churning butter. Radha comes pulling Krishna. Maiya, oh Maiya, ye dekh tera ladala. Look at him. Yesterday he broke our matkis. Main kya bolu? And today he's eaten up all my makhan. Radha stamps and walks away angrily. Yashoda looks at Kanha. Kanha, did you do this? No, Maiya, no, I did not. I did not. Don't lie. I am going to tie you up till you tell me the truth. She goes to bring a rope and starts tying him. The rope seems too long, endless. She tries again and again and again. No matter how many times she tried, the rope would never fit around little Krishna. Finally tired, very tired. She does not know where to go. She's out of breath. Yashoda looks at Lalla and shouts, "Open your mouth and show me." When Krishna opened his mouth, Yashoda sees the entire universe inside. The stars, the planets, the world. She was shocked.
Mangalam,
Mangalam,
Udaka Mangalam,
Udaka Mangalam,
Agni Mangalam,
Agni Mangalam,
Vayu Mangalam,
Vayu Mangalam,
Gagan Mangalam,
Gagana Mangalam,
Surya Mangalam,
Surya Mangalam,
Chandra Mangalam,
Chandra Mangalam,
Jagat Mangalam,
Jagat Mangalam,
Jiva Mangalam,
Jiva Mangalam,
Deha Mangalam,
Deha Mangalam,
Mano Mangalam,
Mano Mangalam,
Atma Mangalam,
Atma Mangalam,
Sarva Mangalam, Bhavatu Bhavatu Bhavatu, Sarva Mangalam, Bhavatu Bhavatu Bhavatu, Sarva Mangalam, Bhavatu Bhavatu Bhavatu. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Our Yashoda Maiya has a message for all the parents, grandparents, friends and family. Yashoda and Lalla, please go in front and we have to tell the parents, right, what your little Krishna is all about. Yashoda, hold his hand. Come along. My Lala is no ordinary child. He is Lord Krishna! When fear rose from the waters of Yamuna, little Krishna stood fearless, presenting Scene 5, Kalya Mardan. One day, Krishna and his friends were playing near the Yamuna river and having a lot of fun. Shaurya. What fun, they're playing Nargolia. Oh my God, their ball rolls into the river. Krishna says, "Don't worry, Gwalas, I shall get it." The Gwalas say, "No, Kanha, no. Please don't jump into the river." You know what? A poisonous snake named Kalya lives there. But Krishna did not listen. He climbed up a tree and jumped into the river. The Gwalas say, "Oh no," they get scared and run away. Bhago, let's go, chalo, chalo, let's go. Kanha swims deep into the churning depths of the Yamuna, looking for Kalya. And there he spots Kalya sleeping and wakes him up. Kalya, coiled in anger, hisses in fury, spreading his venom everywhere. A great battle began, round and round, under the turbulent waters of the Yamuna river. Back and forth, back and forth. Oh my God. Neither want to give up. One is strength and divinity. The other is strength and evil. Oh my God. They just don't want to give up. I think I will have to stop them now. Finally, Kalia pants. Oof. He couldn't breathe. Kalia bows down, looks at Krishna and says, "Oh Lord, oh mighty Lord, please forgive me. I will leave this river and take the poison away with me." Krishna blesses him, and Kalia slithers away quietly and leaves the Yamuna, taking his venom along. Krishna swims and finally comes out with the ball. All the Gwalas come running and they hug him and chant away. We need audience support. Krishna Kanhaiya Lal Ki Jai. Krishna Kanhaiya Lal Ki Jai. Keep chanting. The kids also, come on, chant loudly so that your parents will chant along with you. Krishna Kanhaiya Lal Ki Jai. Krishna Kanhaiya Lal Ki Jai. Chanting away, they all go back to their homes. As the sweet sound of Krishna's flute echoed in the air, Radha and the gopis found themselves drawn towards Krishna's flute. Yes, we have scene 6 with Krishna playing his flute. As Krishna grew, he loved playing the flute. Its melody spread through the forests of Gokul, touching every heart. Radha listens to the music and calls all the gopis. Here they come. Aajao Gopya, aajao, come, come. And let's sit down and listen to Kanha's flute. They are all in trance. They love the melody of the flute. Radha gets up and tells the gopis, how can we not dance to his music? Put your hands together for the gopi dance. Lovely. Little gopis, you all are lovely. Come on.
मधुबन में जो कन्हैया किसी को
Clap, clap.
कभी मुस्कुराए,
Clap.
कभी
Clap.
कभी
Clap.
बात करे, राधा के
मधुबन में भले कान्हा किसी को पी से मिले, मन तो राधा के ही प्रेम के हैं फूल खिले। इसलिए राधा जले, इसलिए राधा जले, बिना सोचे समझे, इसलिए राधा जले, इसलिए राधा जले।
Gopis dancing away. Keep clapping. Oh my God, look at them, so graceful.
फिर क्यों है उसको विश्वास आधा, गोपियां तारे हैं चांद है राधा। फिर क्यों है उसको विश्वास आधा।
कान्हा जी को सताए बना कर जा रहे, राधा बेचारी को फिर अपने पे क्या आ रहे।
गोपियां आनी जानी है, राधा तो मन की रानी है। गोपियां आनी जानी है, राधा तो मन की रानी है। सांझ सखारे जमुना किनारे, राधा राधा ही कान्हा पुकारे।
Loudly, keep clapping, please.
राधा के से न चले, राधा के से न चले, आग तन तन में लगे। राधा के से न चले, राधा के से न चले।
Oh, look at that. Our gopis, aren't they beautiful?
मन में है राधे को कान्हा जो बसाए, तो कान्हा काहे को उसे न बताए।
प्रेम की अपनी अलग बोली, अलग भाषा है।
Woohoo, come on.
कान्हा की यही आशा है।
कान्हा की ये जो नैना है, जिन्हें गोपियों के चैना है। कान्हा की ये जो नैना है, जिन्हें गोपियों के चैना है। मिली नजरिया हुई बाबरिया, गोरी गोरी सी कोई गुजरिया।
कान्हा का प्यार किसी गोपी के मन में जो पले, किस लिए राधा जले, राधा जले, राधा जले।
राधा कैसे न जले,
किस लिए राधा जले,
राधा कैसे न जले।
किस लिए राधा जले, किस लिए राधा जले,
राधा कैसे न जले,
किस लिए राधा जले, किस लिए राधा जले।
Clap with them, please. Oh, awesome. Krishna is truly lucky. So many gopis are following. We end this spectacular concert with the divine and powerful Govardhan Leela, our final scene, scene 7, the Govardhan Leela. As Krishna got older, he became the love of Gokul. One day, Nanda Raja calls the villagers and tells them, "Come, come, come. Let's all get ready to pray to Lord Indra." Krishna comes running. "Baba, Baba, why is everyone so busy?" Baba explains to Krishna, "We are getting ready to pray to Lord Indra, the god of rain. Without rain, our crops will not live, Kanha." Krishna looks at his Baba. "But Baba, isn't it the Govardhan Parvat that gives us water, grass for our cows, trees and fruits for our people? Should we not pray to the mountain instead?" The villagers agreed, yes, yes, and went to get their puja thalis. Now in this scene, we need audience support, so please chant when I tell you what to say. The villagers started walking and chanting, "Govardhan Parvat ki jai." Come along, Govardhan Parvat ki jai. Loudly, Govardhan Parvat ki jai. Govardhan Parvat ki jai. Here they all come shouting and chanting, "Govardhan Parvat ki jai." Audience support, Govardhan Parvat ki jai. Jai ho, jai ho, jai ho. Finally, they all reach the mountain. Lord Indra becomes furious and sends thunder, winds and heavy rain to punish the people of Gokul. All the villagers run away with their thalis. Run, run, bhago bhai, bhago, bhago. Barish aayi, bhago, bhago, bhago. Barish aayi, chalo, chalo, jaldi karo. And off they go to save themselves. You can put on your mobile lights and guide them. The village road is very dusty and rocky. You can put your mobile lights on and guide our little ones, please. Oh my God, it's pouring, it's raining. Where are the villagers? I can't see them. It's a long, long way home. But our little Krishna does not move. He stands in front of the mighty Parvat. Krishna walks slowly towards the Govardhan Parvat and lifts the mighty Govardhan on his little finger. All the villagers take shelter beneath it. Here they come. For 7 days and 7 nights, Krishna held the mighty Parvat on his little finger. Encore now.
मेरे कान्हा ने
कि जब कान्हा ने बंसी बजाई हमोह लगाई वृंदावन रास रचे
Clap, please.
ने बंसी बजाई एक तुलसी लगाई वृंदावन रास रचे खुराना की शर्माई हो राधा की शर्माई कान्हा ने सद्बुद्ध बिसराई वृंदावन
Keep clapping loudly. Encore.
जब कान्हा से प्रीत लगाए सद्बुद्ध बिसराए वृंदावन दास रखे
Jump, 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 jump. Come on. It's a very happy moment. So much excitement. Our kids have really had a wonderful time practicing and presenting the show. Wasn't it awesome? Now, I ask a very small favor from all of you here. With folded hands and happy hearts, let's all chant together, Krishna Kanhaiya Lal Ki Jai. Krishna Kanhaiya Lal Ki Jai. Giriraj Dharan Ki Jai. Giriraj Dharan Ki Jai. Oh, I have no words to express my feelings today. It was absolutely magical. A few mistakes here and there, a few glitches here and there. It's passé, right? Yes or no? That's wonderful. As we come to the end of this beautiful concert of Krishna's Leelas, I just want to say how incredibly proud we are of our little ones. Do give them a huge round of applause. A big thank you to our wonderful audience for cheering them with so much love. Thank you. Please wait there. I haven't finished. Allow me to express, please. As we come to the end, there is joy. Oh my God. I have to still say thank you to such a wonderful, happy audience. And we're all very sad today because we've had so much fun practicing. It wasn't perfect at all in the practices. But seeing you all laugh and enjoy, I think they all did a great job. The last few lines before I hand over the mic, please. As we come to the end, there is joy, there is gratitude, and yes, a small sadness. I've got goosebumps that this magical time is over, literally over, and I would like to hand over the mic to Mrs. Bianca Poddar. Thank you all once again.
Good morning, everybody. What a grand show. Don't y'all think, parents? Just like the flute of little Krishna spreads joy in Gokul. Today, our tiny stars have filled this hall with happiness, color, devotion through their beautiful performance. Behind every star who danced today, there is a Yashoda. Behind every graceful gopi, there is a guiding Radha who taught her. And behind every perfect scene, there is a whole team working quietly, just like the people of Gokul. A very, very special thank you to our teachers. Teachers, please come in the front. Whose tireless efforts, patience, and unconditional love brought this entire production to life. Their dedication truly reflected on stage today. To our teachers, and of course, we would love to extend a heartfelt thank you to our Didis and Akshay Bhaiya, whose constant support, hard work has made this possible today. And this magnificent production would not have been possible without the vision and creativity of Rupal Aunty. She not only wrote this play, but also directed, choreographed it with immense dedication and love for the children. Like Lord Krishna lifting Govardhan Parvat, she carried this entire production on her shoulder with grace, patience, and artistic excellence. And a heartfelt appreciation to our dear Zarna Aunty for the beautiful narration and for thoughtfully writing the narrator's script along with the cues that guided our little actors on stage. Her expressive voice and well-crafted words brought every scene alive and transported us to magical land of Gokul. Please give her a round of applause again. And of course, yay! To both of them, Rupal Aunty, Zarna Aunty. And of course, the most mesmerizing performance was by our little stars who remind us that even the smallest hands can create the biggest magic. Everybody give it up for all our performers. Thank you, everyone. I would now like to pass on the mic to Rupal Aunty.
Thank you, Bianca, for your lovely, kind words. Well, I just want to say that it had been a fantastic experience this time, teaching these children, and practicing with them. So over the last 22 years, Zarna and I have seen Little Prams grow from 15 children to a present strength of 100. The laughter and the chatter of little children have kept us young at heart, so much so that we have forgotten that we have become senior citizens and grandmothers. So we think the next chapter of Little Palm School needs a young, dynamic leader to take it to even greater heights. We could think of no better person more suited to hold this responsibility than Mrs. Bianca Podar. Well, don't worry. Zanna and me are not going to run away anywhere. We are there, besides her, guiding her, helping her through and through. She's just going to be in the driver's position, but we are there as backseat drivers, always telling her what to do. So we are always there, not to worry, parents. Thank you for being so patient, because while the children go in, they would like to say a little goodbye to you. So we are going to start class by class. The nursery children. Everybody, bye-bye. Yeah, I did. She told me. We will be handing them the participation certificates backstage. Next, we have the LKG class. Please give them a big cheer. They want to say bye-bye to you. Anant, wait, darling. It's gone. I know, they are all impatient. Okay, next we have the UKG and the transition class, the biggest children in our school, the oldest ones. Take them in, please, take them. All right. Parents, let them go. It's not over yet. Remember, I just told you we had so much fun while we were making this concert that we want to share these beautiful moments with you and thank everybody who has helped us make this concert possible. So let's begin, please. Can you please all sit down? Thank you. Here we are. We extend our sincere gratitude to Mrs. Shilpi Mehta for granting us permission to use music from Natkat Krishna. We also sourced the music, the three of us together, Janice Mehta, myself, Rupal Parekh, and Bianca Podar. Makeup team, Mrs. Jyoti Sadarangani and her team. Thank you very much, Jyoti. Contributors to the screen slides, Arun Vikram saying thank you, Astha Mantri and Bianca Podar. Bianca has done a lot of hard work in this concert. Costume team, myself, Rupal Parekh, Radha Chaurasya, Nindia, Giletwala, Priya Jain, Kavita Khattar and Bianca Podar. Ticket sales, our young mothers helped us sell the tickets. Nidhi Shah, Indu Jain, Amishi Parasparpuria, Vyoma Vadera, Richa Singhal. Refreshments for today were given by Soumya Golcha. Thank you very much. Now, just a few more moments and we'll see what fun we had while making this concert. Please watch. Sorry if you forgot Tejpal Auditorium. Thank you very much. All the people who helped us. Thank you, thank you.
कन्हैया लाल की
Hello. So, I am going to request one parent of every class to stay back, and rest of you can go out from entrance 2 and 3, and the child will be handed over to you over here itself. So, one parent, please sit and wait. Thank you very much. Thank you all for this being a lovely audience. Thank you very much. The great